Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and preparing the Wh1000xm5. Plug in USB-C and charge for a full initial cycle so battery calibration is accurate. Once charged, install the Sony Headphones Connect app to access advanced settings. Now power on by pressing the power button for about 2 seconds. The indicator will flash blue to show pairing mode. Make sure Bluetooth on your phone is enabled. Then open the app and follow on-screen prompts to add a new device, so your headphones register correctly with the phone. You now focus on connection and personalization. After the initial pairing, confirm the Wh1000xm5 is selected in your phone's audio output. Once connected, open the Sony app to enable adaptive sound control so the headphones automatically adjust noise cancellation by activity and location. Make sure to set quick attention for instant lowering of volume when you need to talk. Then fine-tune the EQ and noise canceling level to match your environment. These settings optimize clarity and battery life for everyday use. You finish by learning daily operation and a key troubleshooting step. For seamless switching, enable multi-point to pair 2 devices. Hold the power button longer if you need to change pairing modes. Once done, charge routinely and store in the case to preserve cushions and battery. If audio drops or controls act up, reset the headphones by holding power and the custom button until LEDs flash, then repair. Finally, make sure firmware updates are applied in the app. This fixes bugs and improves performance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.